big face-off over the Kavod Yatra that's set to begin because it's the Sawan season that's starting, where the Kavod Yatra takes place and across the states. Now we are told there's been a big face-off over this. What happened? The top cop has said that display names on the food stalls. So there are, because there is this 11 kilometers long walk that usually takes place when the Kavods cross these streets. There are designated stalls that are put up either as bhandaras or for people to stop by and consume food. Now it appears that the top cop who has said display names on the food stalls, Congress and Owaisi are alleging that this is a plot. It's a plot to target if there are Muslim owners of the shops or if there are Muslim shops, so to say, that have been set up, that they will be then targeted or not even allowed. And we have put up an example for you to help you understand what that could look like. Congress calls it state-sponsored bigotry. Abhishek Mishra is joining me for the latest on that. Let's listen in, but however, just for you to understand what is the showdown about. What are the senior officers saying?
देखिए, कांवड़ की तैयारियां शुरू हो गई और हमारे जनपद में लगभग 240 किलोमीटर का कांवड़ मार्ग है। इसमें जितने भी खान पान के दुकानें हैं, चाहे वो होटल, ढाबे, ठेले, जहां से भी कांवड़िए अपनी खाद्य सामग्री खरीद सकते हैं, उन सबको ये निर्देशित किया गया है कि अपने प्रोप्राइटर के या काम करने वालों के नाम जरूर डिस्प्ले करें। ये इसलिए जरूरी है ताकि किसी प्रकार का कोई कंफ्यूजन किसी भी कांवड़िए के अंदर ना रहे और ऐसी स्थिति ना उत्पन्न हो कि कहीं कोई आरोप प्रत्यारोप हो और बाद में कानून व्यवस्था की स्थिति उत्पन्न हो। इसलिए ऐसा निर्देश दिया गया है और सब इसको अपनी स्वेच्छा से इसका पालन करें।
जैसे लगाएगा, क्या इससे लाभ मिलेगा या आप लोगों को नुकसान होगा? जैसे कि आगे कावड़ भी है,
बस अब लाभ तो उन्हें पता चलेगा जी बाद में, क्या नाम उसका, क्या लाभ होगा इससे, क्या नहीं होगा। बंदी हो जाएगा कावड़ में तो डेली लगने की नहीं फिलहाल।
लेकिन जो फल खरीदेगा नाम देख के फल खरीदेगा,
नाम देख के फल खरीदेगा बस। हाँ, कहने लगे मुसलमान है, नाम निसार है इनका।
So Abhishek Mishra joins us on this. Abhishek, you tell us what precisely do you think that the senior police official meant, and why is this turning into a political showdown? What is the communal overtones here?
Well, Kavod Yatra is something which happens every year in Uttar Pradesh, and as far as Yogi Adityanath government is concerned, they've always maintained the fact that this yatra should be easily accessible, the route should be proper, the law and order situation should be intact. But what happened this time is there is an instructions to the district magistrates of respective districts that the temporary shopkeepers who used to put up their shops on the route should make it very clear with their identity. There should not be any foul play as far as their identification is concerned. So that is what has actually implemented in Muzaffarnagar. But political reactions are coming in because they are referring it as a communal order. They are referring it as a biases, something which is now giving a divide to the communities. But this has happened for the fact so that no situation arises where there has been a complaints where these Kavod Yatris who used to come and they used to take some purchase something from these shops, but were having objection that why the identification of these shopkeepers are not mentioned on their display board. So that is what is the order. But yes, indeed, a lot of reactions coming. The Congress, the AIMIM and the Samajwadi Party is referring it as another strategy of the BJP government to divide among the communities. So that is something which has been objectionable by these political leaders. It remains to be seen. But indeed, as far as this order is concerned, it is an order only throughout the Kavod Yatra, which has been ensured in Muzaffarnagar and now in other districts as well. But yes, indeed, it is escalating to a level.
It's important that law and order is maintained and that there shouldn't be any heated tensions because it's such a important religious spiritual yatra. It should be done in accordance with law, and perhaps best would be to have clarity on this rather than any communal tensions. Thank you very much for now.